Hello everyone, my name is Aaron Lewis and today I wanted to talk about my YouTube channel and all of the work that goes into making a YouTube video. Because a lot of people think that it's very easy and being a YouTuber isn't that hard or we don't work and that we just sit in front of a camera and record ourselves, but that's actually not true. We are pretty much a one-man team. We're not only the director, the cameraman, the producer, but we're also in charge of the distribution and the editing. There's a lot of time and effort that goes into making just one YouTube video. We have to do a lot of research and do a lot of brain power to come up with the video idea. As a YouTuber, you are never resting. You're always thinking of new ideas to make a video. I even think of new video ideas while I'm at home watching TV. Then we can spend a lot of time writing a script, planning that video out, and then setting up our camera, getting our lighting right, making sure our background looks good and is not too distracting. Then I still have to turn on my Xbox One, hook up my game capture card, open up my game recording software on my computer. But that's only just the recording preparation because I'm a gaming channel. I still need to play the game while acting out my script. So I have to look at the camera, focus on the game, and it's a lot that goes into it. And after I'm done with all the recording, I bring everything onto my computer, sync it all together on Adobe Premiere Pro. And I still don't get to edit yet because now I need to find the right music for my video, which I can spend hours walking in circles looking at my cell phone trying to find the right music for my video. And I'm still not ready to start editing because I need to find some more sound effects, some memes, some pop-ups, and all the things to bring my video to life. After I've found everything that I need for my video, then I can spend the next 3 or 4 hours editing it all together and bringing it up to my standards, making it engaging and also entertaining. And then I have to render the video, which could take a while as well. But after that, the fun part is uploading the video and reading the feedback from my community. Because whether it's good or bad, I get to know what I'm doing right or wrong and improve in the future. So yes, it is a lot of work to make a YouTube video. But I love every second of it. Because to me, I'm like a painter and YouTube is like my blank canvas. And I get to be as creative as I see fit. Hello everyone, my name is Aaron Lewis and today I wanted to talk about my YouTube channel and all the work that goes into making a YouTube video. A lot of people think that it is easy being YouTubers and that we don't actually work, or that we just sit in front of a camera and record ourselves. But that is actually not true at all. We are a one-man team. We're not only a director, a producer, a cameraman, an editor, but we're also in control of distribution as well. There's a lot of time and effort that goes into finding inspiration for new video ideas. As a YouTuber, you're always thinking of new video ideas. I'm even thinking of new ideas while I'm at home watching TV. Then we can spend a lot of time writing a script, planning out the video. We have to then set up our camera, get good lighting, and make sure that our background is looking good and is not too distracting. Then I still have to turn on my Xbox, hook up my capture card, open up the recording software on my computer. That's only just the recording preparation. Because I'm a gaming channel, I still have to play out the game and act out my script while focusing on the camera and making it engaging at the same time. After I'm done recording, I have to bring everything over onto my computer, sync it together on Adobe Premiere Pro. But that's not all. I still have to find some music for my video, which sometimes I can spend hours walking around in circles looking on my phone to try to find the right music for my video. I also need to find some sound effects, pop-ups, memes to bring my video to life. After all of that work, I still need to spend another 3 or 4 hours of editing to keep it engaging and entertaining. Once I finish editing, you need to render the video, which could take a long time depending on your computer. But for the fun part is uploading my video and reading the feedback from my community. Whether it is good or bad, I like to read all of it just so I know what I'm doing right or wrong and improve in the future. There is definitely a lot of work that goes into making a YouTube video, but I love every second of it. And to me, it's like I'm a painter and YouTube is my blank canvas and I get to explore my creativity the way I want.